Hi guys, welcome back. So just a quick temporary video. The winner of the VFD from Vevor has not responded. I haven't been able to get a hold of him. I've tried several times. So enough time has gone by. We're just going to draw another winner. So hold on to your seats. Let's go over to the computer and pick a new winner.
Okay, let's drop the URL in here. Fetch. Okay, our keyword VFD. Okay. And let's pick a winner. Rodney. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that one. I would love to win this VFD. Thanks for all that you do with this channel, Dean. All right, Rodney, send me an email. I'll put it up here again just like before. Send me an email and you are the new winner. All right, congratulations, Rodney.